How to list items on Mercari. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can list items on Mercari, and I'm assuring you that it's very simple. So just listen as I put you through. The first step is for you to log in into your Mercari account, and once you're logged in, by the top left corner, you see the Mercari logo, and then by the top right corner, instead of seeing sign up or login that you can see on my screen, you'll see your profile icon instead. Then the next step is for you to move to the right side where you can see the option sell. All right, for you to sell is the same thing as for you to list an item. Okay, so the next step would be for you to click on sell. Once you click on sell, you'll be taken to another page where you can now go ahead and list the items that you want. So on this page, you will have to take clear high quality photos of your item from multiple angles and then add these photos to the selected field. All right, you can also add existing photos from your gallery. Just ensure that they are of high quality and they portray the item well. And then the next step will be for you to fill in the details of the item, such as the title, the description, the brand, the category, and the condition of the item. And then the next stage will be for you to choose a competitive price. So ensure that you choose a competitive price and you enable smart pricing, which automatically adjust the price to help sell your item faster. Then select your shipping options. You can choose Mercari prepaid shipping, or you can ship for your own. And then once everything looks good, by the bottom right corner, you will see the list icon. Tap on the list icon and then your item will be made available to the buyers. This is that simple. So the major thing you should do in order for you to list an item is to log in into Mercari, create an account, move to the top right corner and click on sell. In case you cannot see the option list an item, just click on sell. They mean the same thing, and carry out the procedures, click on list, and just like that, your items would be listed for sale. Thank you for watching and have a very good sale.